In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format a text box border in Microsoft Word or PowerPoint. Let's start by selecting your text box. Click once inside if you need to, but to format its border, make sure you actually click on the edge of the text box so the entire box is selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the sizing handles appear around the outside. If you still see a blinking cursor inside the text, that means you're editing the text itself. Click the border again to switch to selecting the whole box. Once the text box is selected, look along the top ribbon for the Shape Format tab. In some versions, you'll see it as Drawing Tools, then Format. This tab only appears when a shape or text box is selected, so if you don't see it, double-check that you clicked the border and not the text inside. With the Shape Format tab open, you're ready to set the border, also known as the outline. Find the option labeled Shape Outline. Click it to open a drop-down menu. From here, you can immediately choose a color for your border. Pick a color that matches your theme or contrasts enough to make the text box stand out. If you change your mind, you can always come back to this menu and select a different color. Your changes apply instantly to the selected text box. Next, let's adjust the thickness of the border. In that same Shape Outline menu, hover over or click Weight. You'll see a list of thickness options. Choose the one that looks right for your layout. Thicker weights draw more attention and are great for headings or callouts, while thinner lines keep things subtle and clean. The term weight simply refers to the line thickness, usually measured in points, so experiment until it fits your design. If you decide you don't want a border at all, you can remove it in just a click. Go back to Shape Outline and select No Outline. This is perfect when you want a clean, minimal look, or when the background already provides enough visual structure. A quick reminder: these changes affect only the text box you currently have selected. If you're working with multiple text boxes, repeat the same process for each one to keep your formatting consistent. That's all there is to it. Select the text box by clicking the border, open the Shape Format or Drawing Tools Format tab, use Shape Outline to choose a color, adjust weight for thickness, or pick No Outline to remove the border entirely. With these simple controls, you can quickly tailor the look of your text box to match any document or slide.